Welcome to episode 157 of the 10,000 Trades Show, where we are mastering trading and creating excellence through the deliberate practice and analysis of 10,000 trades. In this episode, we will look at a bullish engulfing chart pattern. A bullish engulfing pattern is easy to identify. So we're looking for a key support and resistance area. Then we look for a bullish engulfing candle. Once we have this set up, we're looking for price to go higher. So let's go to the charts and see what this setup looks like and how to trade using this trade setup. We're looking at a bullish engulfing candlestick trade setup. This is pound US dollar 1 hour chart. A bullish engulfing candlestick is where we see a big green candlestick here. So in this case, as we can see, this candlestick is bigger than this previous candlestick. And if we were to place the green candlestick on top of this red one, it would engulf it completely. So that's what the bullish engulfing candlestick is. Basically, it engulfs the previous price action to the left of it. Once we get this type of a candle, that means the momentum has now shifted and we are likely to see the price go higher. So once we see this candle, we can enter our trade on the close of this candle. Another thing to notice here is that we are into this previous support and resistance area. Here, price had trouble breaking through this area, and now price is having trouble going through it to the downside. So resistance has turned into support here. Once we see this candlestick, we enter the trade long. Our stop would go below the pin here. We want to make sure we give the trade enough room to breathe just in case price comes and tests this level one more time. So we place our stop in the bottom here and we stay with the trade as the price moves higher. And then as we notice that as price comes into this previous support and resistance area, price starts to stall out. So for several hours, price is not able to move higher. Once we see this type of a price action, we know that the chances are price is not going to go higher. So this is a good time to exit the trade. After we see this pin bar, we exit our trade. From entry to exit, we get 96 pips in the trade. So just to recap, a bullish engulfing candlestick bullish engulfing candlestick looks like this. We see a big green candlestick in the opposite direction of the previous trend here. Once we see this type of candlestick at an important support and resistance area, we can take the trade long and our stop needs to go on the other side. So here we have a pin, so we'll place our stop below the pin so that there's enough room for the trade to breathe. Once we enter the trade, we stay with the trade for as long as price is moving higher. And once we see that the price starts to stall out here, price is just going sideways and it's not willing to go any higher, and we see this pin bar here, we exit the trade. From entry to exit, we get 96 pips in the trade. If you'd like to learn more profitable Forex trading strategies like this one, I invite you to visit my course at tradingwithvenus.com/Forex course. In the course, I will show you how to read the candlesticks and different chart patterns. We'll do a deep dive into technical analysis, and I will show you how to read the charts properly, what trade setups you're looking for, and how do we trade these setups properly. I will also show you what are the important fundamental things that you need to pay attention to, how the different fundamental factors drive market price. I will also share with you the trading strategies that I personally use that I have found to be the most profitable. We'll also talk about trade management and how to manage your account and manage your risk so that you become a profitable trader. I will also show you tons of examples that you can go and check out so that you are able to see these trades set up in the live markets as well. As a bonus, you will get access to my pivot point indicator. If you have watched any of my videos, you know I really love trading the pivot points, so you will receive that as a special bonus. The price of the course is $497. To sign up for it, please go to tradingwithvenus.com/Forex course. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you like this episode. If you enjoyed this video, please feel free to subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. I'll be back with another great trade setup next time.